Have you ever wondered how Instagram accounts like this one are generating posts on autopilot and making a ton of money? Well, today, I'm going to reveal the secret sauce. We're going to create 100 Instagram posts in just 5 minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. Sounds impossible? Stick around till the end of the video and I'll prove you wrong. Make sure to not skip through the video because I will be providing you with valuable tips you will not find anywhere else for free. Before we dive in, let's set the stage. We're living in a world where content is king and time is money. You might be thinking, how do Instagram pages like this gain followers and make money, and is it even worthwhile? Most people assume that pages like such make money through selling story shoutouts. However, that's one of the least profitable ways of making money with theme pages. So how is the real money made? Here's the deal. I like to think of such Instagram theme pages as digital real estate. You grow a page in a certain niche until you gather a big enough audience of people that are all interested in a certain topic. That opens the door for you to either get a brand deal or flip the page. Think about it. Brands all over the world are looking for partnerships to promote their products and services to their target audience. In the case of the psychology niche, you might consider brands like BetterHelp or Headspace. You can contact such brands by getting in touch with their marketing department via LinkedIn. So getting back to our example, this is a theme page all about psychology. They post daily facts about psychology, which are simply made out of a fact posted in a tweet format, or X's format, whatever you call it now. Some of these posts also include an image, but the majority of them are text only. In just a second, we will explore how to generate both text-only posts as well as text and image posts. So how do we create quality content as such without spending hours on it? That's where ChatGPT and Canva come in. These tools are like your personal content creation army, and today we're going to put them to work. First up, let's head to ChatGPT. I'm going to be working with ChatGPT 4, however. Version 3.5 will also complete this task with ease. In order to recreate what the previously shown accounts are doing, we'll ask Chat to generate 12 Instagram posts about psychology, giving him some examples of quotes from psychology posts and psychology peers. However, we're not going to give him just any random quotes from these pages as an exemplar. Technically, we could, but we're the AI elite over here. We're going to go the extra step to increase the chances of virality. The trick is to not reinvent the wheel, but to gather the top 3 posts from our inspiration pages so that Chat can come up with similar quotes that are most likely to go viral. In order to do that, we will download a Chrome extension called IG Sort by Like and sort their posts by popularity. Let's open them up and copy them into Chat. Now we're going to instruct him to generate 4 quotes for each example to check if we prompted him correctly. Let's let him cook. The quotes are looking good so far, so we're going to ask him to generate 30 more quotes for each exemplar for a total of 102 quotes. For the purposes of demonstration, I'm using only 3 viral quotes as examples, but feel free to provide him with more. Remember, the more details you provide Chat and the more you guide him, the better his output will be. I'm just showing you this so that hopefully it can spark some ideas on how you can implement this for your business. Okay, now that we have 120 ready to use quotes, let's open up a spreadsheet where we can paste them. Now let's head to Canva. Let's create a new design in a square format for Instagram. And now we're going to search for some templates we can use. Let's type in Twitter since that's the format that the other pages are using. And here we have the template that one of the pages uses. Let's customize the text and logo to match our branding, and let's delete the photo for now. Let's make sure the text is centered. Now we're going to head to Apps and open up Bulk Create. In here, click Enter Data manually and Clear Table. Now head back to the spreadsheet and paste the quotes into the table. We're going to copy only the quotes and add a title as quote, then hit Done. Now it's time to sync the quotes with the text on our design. To do that, we're going to right-click the quote and select Connect Data, quote. This purple check mark means that all the data have been synced successfully, so we can hit Continue and Generate. And here we have our 120 posts. But as I promised, we're also going to generate some posts with images. So let's explore how we can make that happen with the help of a Canva plugin called Text to Image. Go to Apps on the bottom left side of the menu and search for Text to Image. This Canva integrated AI will convert whatever text you give it to an image. In our case, we can just paste the quote into the text to image generator. Let's select the photo style and a landscape aspect ratio since we've seen other pages doing that, and hit Create Your Image. In the meantime, let's put our text a bit further up so that we have space for the image. This one looks good, so let's click on it and resize it to fit our design. We can rinse and repeat this process for the quotes we would like images for. And here we have it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos on making money with AI.